As you know, in any learning experience, there comes a time when you must go and apply the concepts and teachings that you have studied. You can read more, watch more videos, or take more classes, but ultimately, you will need to apply what you have learned. As such, we strongly suggest that you go back and answer questions, complete activities, and be sure you have looked at every resource included in this series on Just in Time. Another powerful thing that you can do is to network with others about what you have learned and find mentors that you can continue learning with. Keep in mind that the just-in-time system is a complex strategy built on a foundation of continuous improvement techniques. It is not just a tool. This fundamental method is used in larger strategies like Lean and in many organizations as a method to improve manufacturing and services. With that being said, be aware that this is only a starting point for your journey, and as you learn and grow, come back and share with the community. Also, feel free to share your thoughts, ideas, and concepts in the community. There are many people on the same journey as you, and this is a place for you to network. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.